I posted this video on TikTok just showing my iPhone before I customized it, and I got quite a few questions, so I thought I'd do this quick tutorial. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I took my iPhone from looking like this to this. Hey people, I'm Temi if you're new here, and the first thing you want to do is to make sure that your phone is updated to iOS 14, and how you do that is just by going into settings, general, and then software update. Next, you want to decide on your aesthetics. So you can go quite minimal with your colors, you can use just one color, or you can decide to make it colorful and quirky. Honestly, the opportunities are endless. There's so much room to be creative, so what's stopping you? First thing I'll show you is how to get this widget that we've got at the top. You need to get an app called Widgetsmith. When you've got it, you'll be able to add different widgets, and I'll show you how to do the calendar widget first. That is a medium widget. If you want to customize it, you just go into the widget and you can change many different aspects of it, including what kind of calendar it is. You can put pictures in there, you can have Outlook calendars, weather forecasts, all sorts. I'm just going to do a photo, and you simply select it, put selected photo, choose photo, and that is it. So I've got the widget, and the widget is here. You can change the name of the widget if you want. And when you save it, you'll be able to find it in this list. So to put it on your home screen, I've just got this extra page for demonstration. You hold down an icon, tap edit home screen, then tap the plus at the top to be able to add the widget you just made. You go all the way to the bottom to Widgetsmith. The widget we made was a medium widget, so you tap to add a medium widget and it's defaulted to uploading that widget. In case that didn't happen, you've got the chance of tapping it and then putting the widget you do want if you want to change it. And that's how you get a picture on there. It's the same with the other size pictures. Now I'll show you how to change the icon. So I've got all of my icons in this very simplistic style, and how I did this was on Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, or if you're too lazy to get Photoshop, you can also do it from Google. So since we're on YouTube, I'm going to do YouTube. So what you do is just search for the logo. So I'm going to pick this picture because it's flat and it's also got enough space to crop it. So in the Photos app, I'm going to take a screenshot of it slightly bigger so that the app isn't too small. And then you're going to go into an app called Snapseed, and then you can open the newly cropped image. Now you want to crop it into the square format, so making sure it falls within the square, which it does. And then you want to tune the image. If you hold and drag on the screen, you'll be able to change various things in the image, like the saturation. You want to bring the saturation all the way down, and then you can change other things like maybe increase the brightness so that it's a little bit lighter, change the contrast, highlights, different things. And so this is what it looks like. Then you want to export and save as JPEG. Now to change your icons, you want to go into Shortcuts, which is an app that comes with the iPhone. In Shortcuts, you're going to click on the plus button in the top corner, add action. The action you want to add is open app. Then you choose the app you want to open. In this case, this is YouTube. And then click the three dots, the shortcut name, let's just call it YT. And then add to home screen, choose file. And you've got your app. It automatically adds to one of the pages. So that's one way to add it. You can also add different images online. So for example, let's go on Pinterest. Pinterest is a really good place to find images. So I'm going to add that one as a big widget. Finally, if you want to add a reminder like this, you just simply do that in the Reminders app. In the Reminders app, just put add list, call the list whatever you want, whichever colors you want, and then add whatever you want to the list. And change the list to the one we just made. And that's how you do that. The last thing I'm going to show you is to add Apple Music or anything like that. So it's the exact same thing. And yeah, here's what it looks like after. Just know that anything you add a cover to, it goes into shortcuts before it goes to the app. And to delete apps you no longer want on your screen, you just long hold remove app and then move to app library. So I hope this tutorial helped you. Feel free to leave a comment if you've got any questions.